Welcome to Section 32, Fire Alarm Systems. Let's review the changes for 2015.
32100, Conductors. Fiber optic cable has reliability and performance characteristics superior to copper conductors in large technical fire alarm systems involving supervision, control, smoke control, and communication, as well as system survivability. Fiber optic cables are used as data communication links between firearm control units and transponders. The word transponder is a contraction of the words transmitter and responder. A transponder sends and receives signals from fire alarm devices and control panels, manages control signals to actuate or deactivate equipment throughout complex buildings or sites, and sends and receives status updates regarding the system. Rule 32108, Power Supply. This rule has received extensive editing. Large commercial or industrial sites with multiple buildings require more advanced systems and multiple power circuits. Fire alarm monitoring systems include power supply status and annunciation should the circuit be disconnected.
That's all for Section 32. Thanks for watching.